Opening a site blueprint is very easy. From this main screen, you just click on the Open a Site Blueprint link, select, single click the blueprint, and it opens. Now, if you've already got one open and you want to change to a different one, open a different site blueprint, then you use this button up here. That's the Open Site Blueprint button. Click on that, select a different one that you want, and that different one will open. If you want to close a site blueprint that's open, you just click the close button and the information disappears as the blueprint is closed. If you have a site blueprint open and you close the database, the keyword database that is associated with that site blueprint, then the site blueprint also closes. The site blueprint is safe though, so if you close the database, don't worry, you don't lose the site blueprint, it's just closed. You can reopen it again in any of the ways we've looked at. If you want to delete a site blueprint, this is the button to use, and simply click on it, select the one you want to delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. And then it just reminds you that before a blueprint can be closed, before a blueprint can be deleted, all blueprints must be closed. So it then closes it and deletes it. If we try and open, that one is now gone. If you delete a site blueprint, it does not delete the database that site blueprint was using. The keyword database is completely separate from the site blueprint. So you can delete a blueprint without deleting the database. If, however, you delete a keyword database, then that site blueprint, any site blueprints that would have used that database will no longer work. So do be careful with deleting. Now, if you want to create a new site blueprint, you can do it on this screen here, and site blueprints are linked with the database. So before you can create a site blueprint, you've got to select the database that it's linked with, and then you can type in a name for your site blueprint, click on OK, and then it will ask you which file name word separator you want to use. Basically, KRA Pro will create file names from the keywords, and a lot of the keyword phrases will have spaces in them. For example, this one here, Mickey Mouse putter cover, there are spaces in between each of the words. What do you want to do with those spaces when KRA Pro converts that to a file name? Do you want to replace them with a dash, an underscore, or just delete the spaces? I'll select in this example dashes, and that's the new site blueprint created. We can then go ahead and start creating groups and building our site blueprint. If you're already in here and you want to create a new site blueprint, you can do that as well with that button. Again, you will be asked for the same details: project name, well, let's just do it and you'll see, because it's not quite the same here. Asks you for the separator. What it didn't do was ask you which database, keyword database, you wanted to associate with the blueprint, because KRA Pro will default to the open database, and this is the database that's already open, so the new site blueprint will use this database.